So one of the things that I use my bandsaw for a lot in my shop is to quickly cut turning blanks, like this walnut turning blank. A lot of times I just need to zip it down a couple of inches to be able to turn a finial or something like that. And when I do that, I want a fairly square cut. If I don't, then sometimes my tailstock just doesn't sit right. Now I could go grab my miter gauge off of my table saw and run it in the miter slot, but I don't have time for that. And I could mark a straight line. Don't really have time for that either. So instead what I do is I use the blade to mark a straight line for me to get a good 90-degree cut. So what I do is decide where I want to cut, and then I'll just barely nick the turning blank with the blade. And then when I rotate that kerf up, that marks a good 90-degree line that I can then just follow with the blade, get a good accurate cut. And there we go. Now it may not be as accurate as a miter gauge cut, but as long as your table's set at 90 degrees to your blade, it's square enough for anything I need.